Hey guys, what up? It's Mythologic here, back with another video. So, the original thing that I started doing on my channel, which is what I guess people looked at the most, 64 views on the first one, is a hair tutorial for people who are transgender. I am transgender, which means I identify as male. The problem is I can't transition yet for multiple reasons. So I do tricks and tips to make your hair look shorter, I guess. Alright, so for this one, I recommend a hairbrush, but you don't need one. And you need a hair bow. This is the one I usually do, which you pull it back as much as you can. I have an undercut, a remainder of an undercut, so I kind of have to spend more time fixing that and pulling it out. But it kind of also makes it look more masculine when your hair is up. So maybe it's something you'd look into. I'm trying to get a good view. You make disgusting hair. It's clean, but okay. So what you do is you make a ponytail, and you wrap it around one less, or you wrap the hair bow around one less and as many times as you can. Tighten it a little bit if you want, and then you do this, and then you fold it as if you're going to pull it through again, and you only pull, half through. This is what I usually do, so it doesn't take too long. It does leave a little bun at the back of your head. It's basically a man bun, but it's what works. Alright, that's all for now. See you guys later. Oh, yeah. Logic out.